drawing. Now, first chapter in English is Rina the Magician. Can you see? Rina the Magician is our first. What do you feel when you saw a magic? Do you think a magic trick can make you laugh? This lesson is all about magic trick. Moreover, it is in a comic way where writer is going to explain the story with the help of pictures. Okay? This chapter we are going to learn about why Reena want to learn magic.
Okay, let's begin our lesson. Reena the Magician. Reena is our main character, a girl name, and the magician. Okay, so the meaning of magician is the one who do magic, jadugar. Let me read the section 1 for you. One day, Reena was coming back home from school. On the way, she saw a magician. There was a big crowd around him. Okay, dear students, Reena was coming back home from school. She's a school student. On the way, you can see on the way, on the road, she saw a magician. See, second form is saw. Okay, there was a big crowd. Crowd means group of people. Here, so many people you can see here in this picture. See closely, dear student. One lady, one man, then one magician you can see, right? And Reena, then so many people are there. There is one table, on table hat is there, some other props are there, one young boy, other people are there. So the group of people is crowd around him. Okay, and see the first picture. See student, I have told you earlier, this lesson is in a comic way. You know famous comic books from Marvels where maybe your favorite character can be Spider-Man. I hope you have read comic book earlier in your life. Now you can see in this first picture characters, what they are speaking, what they are thinking, that dialogue, the dialogue of the character will comes in a dialogue box. Okay, so let me see the first picture, and first dialogue is,
now I'll cover this glass of water with a red cloth and say the magic words.
okay, so magician is holding one glass and one piece of red cloth. Okay, these are the props and he's going to show the magic. Okay, and what are the magic words?
Butter and mallow, I'm a good fellow. Afternoon shower, give me some. I repeat one more time. Butter and mallow, I'm a good fellow. Afternoon showers, give me some.
Okay, so the word here we have new words like butter and mallow, good fellow. These are rhyming words, right? So butter is nothing but a daily life product which we use. I know we all love homemade butter. Mallow is a plant with a purple flowers. Okay, fellow is nothing but a boy or a person, boy or a male. Okay, showers, showers means like we have seen Jagara Falls, which is very famous. So what is that? That is shower, one type of falling something from above on us, right? Okay, give me some. This is the first picture. Two dialogues we have in the dialogue box. Second picture you can see at the left bottom is flowers. Now magic happened. Water become the flowers. People are clapping, they are amazed, they are shocked, they are very happy. Amazing, superb, marvelous, wonderful, never seen before, excellent. And other people were thinking, how did he do it? How did he do it? Because we know magic is nothing but the illusions in our mind, where magician will show the different tricks and create the illusions in our mind, and we will be shocked. How did he do it? We know we have seen many magic tricks in on TV shows, in our real life birthday parties, where famous jadugars, famous magician will come and show the different tricks and make us very happy, very cheerful, right? And our character, right bottom, you can see the Reena. She is very shocked, very amazed. She's saying,
Wow, what a wonderful trick! Marvelous! Never seen before.
4. Okay, so this is the first page, section 1, where we have seen 3 pictures, because this story is in a comic way and every picture is having some dialogue in a dialogue box that we have read. Let's go to the page 2. Okay, what we have here: Rina was thrilled. She looked inside her bag and found some coins. She counted the coins. She had only 10 rupees. She offered the money to the magician. So now Rina is very shocked. Thrill is again a synonym word for amazement, or when you're shocked but at the same time happy. She looked inside her bag and found some coin. Why she want coin? Because she want to show her gratitude towards the magician. She want to offer some money to him, and she offered money to the magician. Why? Because she was thrilled. And one more reason is there that we are going to come to know in our further segment. Left picture, you can see
Please take this and teach me how to change water into flower.
Rina's dialogue, and she's offering 10 rupees to the magician, and even magician is shocked or thinking something, and then he asked,
10 rupees is not enough for that.
see, this is the best magic trick might he learn in 10 year, 5 year, and also he is not going to reveal his best trick in just 10 rupees, right?
Why do you want to learn the trick?
Magician asked to the Rina.
Why do you want to learn the trick?
Okay, dear student, I want to ask you one question. If you are the Reena, why do you want to learn that trick? Can you tell me some reasons? Why do you want to learn this trick? It can be you want to be famous in your school, so you want to learn this magic trick, then you want to show to your friends, and all your friends will appreciate you, they will clap for you, right? This can be one reason. Second, can you think of any other reason? Why do you want to learn the trick if you are Rina? Okay, we can see the right picture, and our first dialogue is, my
My grandfather is sad. He never smiles. I'll show him this trick. I am sure the flowers will make him smile.
see what a beautiful reason. My grandfather is sad. Okay, so here we come to know in this storyline, Rena's grandfather is sad. He never smiles. Smiles mean laugh or happy mood. I'll show him this trick. I am sure the flowers will make him smile. So Rina want to learn this magic trick for her grandfather. Then magician said,
Alright, I'll teach you.
see, now magician is convinced with the reason. Okay, I'll teach you. We can see the second picture, the left bottom.
Take a glass of water, cover it with a piece of red cloth, then close your eyes and say,
Okay, so now magician is going to reveal his magic trick to Rina. Okay, you can see in this picture, magician is going to teach Rina how to do this magic. In meanwhile, Meena is saying,
Wait, I must write down the magic words or I'll forget.
see, this reference is also very important, and I can directly relate it with my students. See, I must write down the magic words or I'll forget. This is related with your homework, dear student. The so many benefits are there, and one important benefit of writing homework is you will not forget the topic covered by your teacher. Homework will always help you to revise the topic, right? So now we can see in this story, Rina is a small girl and she's telling, so that jadoo mantra, the rhyming, the magic words, I want to write it down. Okay,
Butter and mellow, I'm a good fellow. Afternoon shower, give me some flowers. I repeat one more time. Butter and mellow, I'm a good fellow. Afternoon shower, give me some flowers.
so here Rina is writing the magical words in her notebook. Okay, Now next, left top picture we can see where Rina is offering some money to magician, and the first dialogue in the dialogue box from magician is,
Then pull the cloth away and shower the flowers on your grandfather. He will laugh again.
so after telling the magic words, now magician told what to do in further. You need to pull and push, pull and push the cloth away and shower the flowers on your grandfather. Okay, and here we can see Rina here is offered 10 rupees again, but the magician told your
Grandfather's smile will be my reward.
So magician refused to take 10 rupees. Instead of that, he told to Rina that her grandfather smile. See the reason to make grandfather smile. Even the magician also appreciate
Oh, thank you very much.
Rina's last dialogue. Okay student, enough for today. We will continue in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay, and underline these 20 new words and write down in your new notebooks. Okay, new notebook. And you can start with a new thought. The first page is for writing a thought. You can write this thought. Make use of every moment of life to get more and more knowledge. Then you can begin. Okay.